Today, the Skyline team will be removing a big tree from a tricky spot in this neighborhood. After clearing the area below the tree, it's time to get to work.
Back cut!
Derek makes his way up the tree, taking off all the branches as he goes up. The rest of the team processes the branches as they come down. When Derek takes off the rest of the branches, they are cleaned up into the chipper. Then Derek safely chops up the tree, one slice at a time. Eventually, the whole tree is chopped up and ready to be cleaned up. Here you can see the difference before and after. Skyline Landscaping and Tree Service.